Hey there, welcome back to our machines visit. Today, we have something truly exciting for you, unbelievable machines that will leave you in awe. But before we get started, if you are new here, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel so that you can join a community where learning about different agricultural and construction technology is welcomed and encouraged. A Finnish business called Sukon Oy is focused on creating peat-based goods such as sawed peat. The sawed peat produced by the company is of high quality and suitable for a variety of uses because it's made using sustainable and ecologically friendly processes. The sawed peat produced by Sukon Oy is employed by a number of sectors, including agriculture, horticulture, and landscaping. The sawed peat produced by the company is renowned for its capacity to retain moisture, enhance soil structure, and supply vital nutrients to plants. The production facilities of Sukon Oy are situated in Finland, and the business places a high priority on environmental responsibility and sustainability. The business is dedicated to creating high-quality products that satisfy its customers' demands while utilizing natural resources responsibly and effectively. Truly, Sukon Oy is a dependable and respectable supplier of sawed peat and is well known for its dedication to environmental responsibility and sustainability. The company's goods are well known for their excellence and efficacy, and they are frequently employed by enterprises and organizations all over the world. World-leading German manufacturer of construction equipment Liebherr produces the huge and potent Liebherr R995 excavator. The Liebherr R995 is an excavator that is a member of their R900 series and is intended for large-scale mining and quarrying applications. A powerful diesel engine with a maximum power output of 437 kilowatts, 595 horsepower, is fitted to the Liebherr R995. In addition, the excavator has a massive 9.4 cubic meter bucket capacity, which makes it ideal for large-scale excavation and material handling jobs. The Liebherr R995 includes a number of cutting-edge technologies and features in addition to its strong engine and large bucket capacity, such as a hydraulic system with a flow rate of up to 174 L per minute, a high-performance hydraulic pump, and a number of user-friendly controls and displays. The Liebherr R995 is a strong and highly advanced excavator that is ideal for large-scale mining and quarrying activities. The excavator is a well-liked option for companies and organizations all over the world because of its power, performance, and cutting-edge innovations. Excavators are among the construction tools that Konen Pressi specializes in renting out and selling. The Finnish-based business places a great priority on offering top-notch tools and top-notch customer support. The huge excavator Liebherr HS895 Quan is made by Liebherr and is a renowned producer of construction machinery. The Liebherr HS895 Quan excavator, which is a member of the HS series, is intended for extensive mining and quarrying activities. With a maximum power output of 400 kilowatts, the Liebherr HS895 Quan is powered by a high-performance diesel engine. Additionally, the excavator has a massive 8.1 cubic meter bucket capacity, which makes it ideal for large-scale excavation and material handling jobs. The Liebherr HS895 Quan features an advanced hydraulic system with a flow rate of up to 225 L per minute, a high-performance hydraulic pump, and a number of user-friendly controls and displays in addition to its powerful engine and large bucket capacity. Overall, Liebherr HS895 Quan and Konen Pressi are both significant players in the construction sector, and they are renowned for their top-notch machinery and top-notch customer support. Powerful and cutting-edge, The Liebherr HS895 Quan excavator is ideal for large-scale mining and quarrying operations. A Finnish business called Mansignin is focused on producing and marketing premium construction tools like buckets, grapples, and forks. Excavators, loaders, and skid steer loaders are just a few of the heavy machinery that can be employed with the company's products. The hula bucket, which is intended for use with excavators and other heavy machinery, is one of Mansignin's most well-known attachments. The hula bucket is constructed from premium components and is intended to deliver outstanding performance and durability. The bucket is offered in a variety of shapes and sizes, including toothed, curved, and straight variants. The Pata grapple, another well-liked Mansignin attachment, is made for use with skid steer loaders and other large machinery. The Pata grapple is made from high-strength steel and is designed to provide excellent durability and performance. The grapple is available in a range of sizes and configurations, including straight, curved, and flared models. A business called Dredger is focused on the design and production of dredging tools such as cutter suction dredgers, sand suction dredgers, and clamshell dredgers. The company is established in China and has a long history of offering customers all around the world high-quality dredging equipment. The removal of silt and debris from rivers, the development of new land, and the upkeep of ports and harbors are just a few uses for cutter suction dredgers like those made by Dredger. These dredgers have cutter heads for excavating sediment and other debris from the bottom of a river and suction heads for bringing the material to the top. On the other hand, sand suction dredgers are intended to remove sand and gravel from the bottom of rivers. The sediment is pumped to the surface by these dredgers' suction heads so that it can be released or processed further. As the name implies, clamshell dredgers employ a pair of buckets resembling clamshells to remove sediment and other detritus from the bottom of a river. These dredgers are often employed for smaller-scale tasks like the upkeep of marinas or tiny harbors. Designed for use in marine and other applications, the Cape Holland Single CV3220 V2U is a single-cylinder vertical four-stroke diesel engine. The engine is made by the renowned manufacturer of high-quality marine engines in the Netherlands, Cape Holland. A single cylinder with a displacement of 320 cubic cm powers the Cape Holland Single CV320 V2U engine. The engine is built to run on a four-stroke cycle, which means that one power cycle requires 4 strokes of the piston. There are 4 strokes. 1. Intake. The piston moves downward, drawing a mixture of air and fuel into the cylinder. 2. Compression. The piston moves upward, compressing the fuel and air mixture. 3. Power. The piston moves downward, igniting the compressed fuel and air mixture and generating power. 4. Exhaust. The piston moves upward, expelling the exhaust gases from the cylinder. The highest power output from the Cape Holland Single CV320 V2U engine is 32 horsepower at 2,600 revolutions per minute (RPM). 2 valves per cylinder are controlled by a single overhead camshaft that's included. Additionally, the engine has a common rail fuel injection system that precisely and accurately distributes gasoline to the combustion chamber. Since its founding in 1958, Kogan, a German manufacturer of hydraulic material handling equipment, has been a market leader in providing high-quality machinery for numerous industries. The company's tools and attachments are made to work with hydraulic machinery, including wheel loaders, mobile telescopic cranes, and telescopic boom cranes, and they come in a variety of sizes and capabilities to satisfy the demands of various industries. Kogan tools and attachments stand out for the strong lifting capacity, high precision, adaptability, and dependability. In the construction, mining, forestry, and recycling industries, where tiny mistakes can have big repercussions, these instruments are perfect for high loads. They are a wise investment for businesses handling a variety of materials and applications because of their high regard for performance, adaptability, and dependability. Overall, Kogan tools and attachments constitute an essential component of the company's product line and are used by a variety of clients worldwide, including industrial businesses, construction enterprises, and governmental organizations. An impressive hedge trimmer from Germany uses enormous saw blades mounted on a tractor to cut down any plants that are beginning to obstruct the road. Using numerous rotating cutting saws mounted on an adjustable arm, any tree branches, bushes, and other plants that are in the way are removed. The second video on our collection is from Typical AG and shows the demolition of an old building. While some buildings are simple to demolish, whether because they're made of wood or because it's otherwise simple to use explosives to detonate, others can't be handled in the same way and require specialized equipment. Here, they use a set of claws to tear apart the reinforced concrete structure that makes up this building. The following video is from Botech, and it shows a big saw used to cut through stone and concrete. This enormous spinning saw is installed on the boom of an excavator and is capable of cutting through concrete and foundations. This is excellent for preparing a construction site or simply assisting with demolition. Next on our list is some herd equipment tilling machinery. This agricultural equipment is towed from a tractor and pulled across soil to till it, preparing it for cultivation. The back end of the trailer is what actually tills the soil by cutting into it with thin wheels similar to pizza cutters. The cutting wheel's angle ensures that as much dirt as possible is churned, exposing more of the nutrient-rich soil. The next video is from Next Trencher, and it shows an impressive trenching machine. This gadget is attached to a specialized tractor with a big spinning mining belt that functions similarly to a chainsaw. This chainsaw-like belt is adjustable so that it can be pushed into the ground to dig up to a substantial depth. As it digs, the dirt is neatly expelled out the side into a pile. The next device on our list is a Chemrock excavator cutter attachment. Like some of the other devices on our list, this one uses a spinning blade to cut into stone walls. Cutting through a wall like this could be done for a variety of reasons, including inserting structural supports or planning explosives to detonate and demolish the wall. Next up is a demo of Dean's Rock King 9600. The Rock King has an 8-foot wide grate and a large holding capacity, which it quickly fills with whatever rocks the spinning arm's paddle teeth find. Once the bin is totally full, they dump the collected rocks here. Then there's a jaw-dropping underwater claw lift from the Versabar. The design is based on their VB10000 lift, which is already a powerful and robust lift that is the largest lift vessel ever built in the US. The claw, on the other hand, uses a different mechanism to actually grab large objects from deep underwater. Each of the two claws is 120 foot tall and 112 feet wide, weighing in at 1,000 tons each. They can lift an amazing 1,600 tons of metal when they work together, as you can see here. Group Eurodirect has introduced a one-of-a-kind planter suite with soil preparation functions. It can be used as a ridge cutter or for pre-ridging. Wool was also included in the package. This tiller has 9 separate support wheels and a 2 and 1/2 or 3-ton hopper capacity. They cleverly built it and incorporated hydraulic drives to improve the quality of the performance. It also seeds the potatoes more carefully while tilling. The tiller's breadth can be adjusted by adjusting the spacing width, that's 75, 80, and 90 centimeters. Harvesting machine is up next for bosal farming. It has a 3-row portable harvesting drive as well as a backpack storage system, and tractor power V-belt and gear drive are used to power it. It allows you to harvest 8 acres in about an hour. It can be mounted on any tractor with a diesel engine that produces more than 240 horsepower. When the ears of corn are ripe, you can plug the ear and straw chopping in corn fields. It will then be carried to the back hydraulic tilting hopper, where it will be placed straight onto conveying machines after plucking, making the entire procedure both time and labor efficient. Moving on to GL Systems, loftiness created this machine and is the ultimate platform for those who have trouble loading grain bags. It has enormous capability and speed. Long polyethylene bags with a diameter of 10 feet and lengths up to 500 feet are used to make these grain sacks. After filling the bag, the machine automatically seals it. This action lowers the oxygen level in the bag and raises the carbon dioxide content. As a result of the airtight environment, fungi and insects are destroyed without the need for pesticides. Furthermore, it slows down the natural process, allowing you to store it for extra periods of time. Then it's on to the Kuhn's FC460, a mower of the next generation. Its innovative disc-bearing station protects the mower if a disc collides with an impediment, since the shaft holding the disc can be sheared just above the bearing. As a result, the gears will be safe. These mowing conditions provide unrivaled versatility to a variety of harvesting techniques and field circumstances. All of the modern characteristics, such as easy adjustment and inexpensive maintenance, make it the market's best. This plant produces a sweet-tasting oil that is thought to aid in relaxation and well-being. Farmers must gently clip the blossom with the stem for oil extraction so that the plant may regrow, and it appears that this harvester is ideal for the job. The shrubs were sliced into round forms on both sides by the blades as they grow naturally. An automatic parallel trailer covers 4 rows and dumps them directly into the storage tank. The Mercedes engine, which provides optimal fuel efficiency and great production and will remain the #1 choice for all forage professions, is at the core of this harvester. It's possible that some undesired plants will grow alongside the crops by obtaining spaced fertilizers and nutrients from the soil. They diminish the useful crop output. Weeding is the process of removing certain plants. Farmers couldn't employ weeding methods on rice harvests since they would harm the beneficial plant, but now Oric Weedman has solved the problem. You may move through the rice fields with this equipment. GDM Farm is the next stop on our tour. Thousands of kilometers of plastic mulch are blanketed each year. This method manages soil temperature while suppressing weeds and conserving water. When the plant begins to grow, the plastic mulch is lifted to allow the plant to be punctured without harming it. GDM Farm created the Easy Plant Plastic Mulch Hole Puncher. It saves time and labor by precisely punching holes in the plastic mulch bed. POMC Magic Dimension is up next. Magic Dimension is a cutting-edge harvester with cutting-edge sensors that aid in the collection of baby leaves. For example, its infrared sensor can identify the height of leaves, allowing the grower to determine the crop's length. It's quite simple to use. The sensor gets into position and holds the cutting blade at a height that collects the product at the predetermined length by just pressing a simple button. The sensors monitor the distance from the bed and process the gathered measurements while running up and down. It can recognize and ignore the measurements detected on any weeds or depressions thanks to its built-in software. Crop care is the next topic on the agenda. MCH plastic must be removed from the soil once crops have been planted. The Crop Care PR2500 combines the lifting and wrapping of plastic mulch into one simple pass, rolling dirt, vines, and debris to the side and neatly wrapping the plastic into easy-to-dispose rolls. Both sides of the plastic are wrapped by 2 reels. It saves time and boosts productivity significantly. Pink Innovation is up next on the list. For years, Pink Innovation has been involved in the development of flower growing machines. They created a new harvesting machine in 2019 called the Roser. It's a flower harvester that uses a huge mortar or conveyor belt to help remove blossoms. The main benefit of employing a conveyor belt is that the flowers will no longer reflect on the mortar. Another unique feature of this vehicle is its 4-wheel steering. It enables you to make a quick turn at the headland. In addition, each wheel has its own independent hydraulic suspension. It is without a doubt the best flower harvester ever created. Kirby is up next. Kirby's CBD hemp harvesting machine is a tiny mountable machine. It allows hemp harvest to be harvested at a rate of 1,800 to 2,200 stalks per hour, enough to harvest 5 acres of land in a single day. It quickly loads a follow trailer, a vehicle, while performing its duties. This feature saves money on labor and allows for quick harvesting. You may harvest any size of animals by altering the height of the conveyor and wagon. Finally, there's Hummer Tata's T4 created by Hummer. It is the most advanced harvester you've ever seen. It is outfitted with cutting-edge technologies. While working in the field, the driver can use the built-in GPS to make a smart turn. Its one-of-a-kind lift technology ensures the best harvesting outcomes. The systematic lightweight construction aids soil protection. Its inbuilt slope sensor ensures stability in all settings, and its sophisticated eco-power technology combines the best performance with the least amount of fuel usage. Without a doubt, they elevate the Peat T4 to new heights. Thanks for watching this episode of Machines Visit. If you have any ideas as to what you would like to see next, make sure to leave a comment, and we'll try to include it for you next time. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave it a like and subscribe to the channel. It means a lot to us, and with that, we'll see you next time.